Good day, everyone. We from the group Musketeers are going to be presenting our problem based exercise 1 for the course Human Computer Interaction with the help of our lecturer Puan Nur Hafiza for the class DDT and 4. Now, the group members of Musketeers consist of myself, Dinesha Rajan Naidu, Tam Chiyu, and also Seo Sishin. So now what exactly is this problem-based exercise about? Well, it's to demonstrate a simple questionnaire to gather users' feedback of the website's interface design. Well, in this case, the website that we have chosen is Shopee. So now let's click the link right here. And this is the questionnaire made by our group Musketeers, which consists of different styles of questions to get users feedback on the website design. So the first style that I'm going to be presenting is the general style. So general style is basically just user information about the user. So first off is your name. Well, this is optional. Why is this optional? It's because if you want to keep your name private, if you want to keep your own privacy about your name, you can just put anonymous, or you can just do not fill it in, as this is an optional tab for you to fill. It's to keep the privacy of the user if they want to. And the email is to determine the user's account in Shopee. For, let's say, if Shopee is willing to give out coupons to people who complete their surveys, as some companies do offer that. And that feedback will help Shopee to be able to improve their user experience. So now this age group is to determine what range of people, or what range of people of age are using this Shopee website to buy their products or to purchase their own games. So if I may say, most likely it's going to be mostly teenagers that are using these e-commerce sites to purchase their products, as some or even old people that are unable to move around very well, or unable to go to the shop just to buy some groceries. They can just order it from Shopee if they want to. And also job status, it's to determine whether or not majority of our what is the job status of the majority of the users of Shopee, and fit the user experience for those users. So let's say you're in a rush and you need to quickly do an order, so it will refer to you. If you're employed and you're in a rush, it may lead you to sites, options that give you fast delivery, or depends on the need of the user. Next up will be multiple choice questions and the rest of the styles by Seo Sishin and Tam Chiu. Thank you.
Section B, multiple choices questions. In this section, users can choose an answer from multiple choices that are given which most relevant to the users. First question, how did you know about us? If the user's friends recommended to them, users can choose first option, or if they found out about Shopee while watching the television, they can choose the second option, or the users heard about Shopee from the radio, choose the third option, or found out about Shopee from any social media like Facebook, Instagram, and etc. Choose the last option. Next question. What do you like most about our website? Users can choose the first option, vouchers, if they like most the vouchers that Shopee give, or if users like the games in Shopee website, they can select the second option. For the third option, if users like Shopee events, for example Shopee 12 birthday sales, user can choose this option. Or user like the most about Shopee is the varieties of products Shopee has, users can choose the last option. For the third question, which of the following devices do you often use to access our website? If users often use smartphone to access Shopee website, they can choose the first option, smartphone, or users can choose the second option if they use PC or laptop more, or choose the third option, tablets, or last option, smart TVs if users use smart television to access Shopee website. And for the last question, what type of products do you purchase from Shopee website most recently? User can choose the first option if they purchase from Shopee website mobile or accessory, for example, mobile phones or selfie stick. Second option, groceries or pets. If the user bought groceries like vegetable or pet toys recently from Shopee website, they can choose this option. For third option, user that bought cables or chargers for their devices from Shopee website recently, and if they recently bought any storage or hard drives like hard disks from Shopee, they can choose the last option. Next, section C, open-ended questions, where questions cannot be answered with a simple yes or no, where users can give any answer which are relevant to them. For the first question, how did you feel about our customer service? If user is unsatisfied or satisfied with our customer service, they can answer how they feel with their own words. Next question, how can we improve our website if user is unsatisfied with anything about Shopee website or have any better ways or method that can help us improve Shopee website? Users can give the answers. For the third question, what would make you use our website again? Users can give answers on what makes them want to use our website again and again without being bored after using Shopee website after a while. And the last question, what do you think about our latest events? Users can answer if they like the event or if the events are too ordinary. They can give some comment to improve our future events.
The following question is ranking question. A ranking question is a type of survey question that asks respondents to compare a list of items with each other and arrange them in order of preference. It is used by market researchers to understand the order of importance of items from multiple items. For example, the first question, please rank the best about Shopee in the order of the most to the least. So I personally think that the best about Shopee is the ease of use. Second, features provided. Third, interface design. And last, quality of the output. After finishing all these 4 questions, click on Next. The last question will be the scalar question. In rating skill questions, the questions displays a scale of answer options from any range and the respondent need to select the number that most accurately represents their response. For example, in the interface or appearance of Shopee rating, first question, use of terms throughout the system is consistent, and I strongly agree about this statement. Second question, position of messages on the screen is consistent, and I agree about it. And after finishing these 10 questions, click on Submit to send back your response in the customer feedback form to Shopee. And that's all from us. Thank you.